Hi, you are looking at a Cory professional vintage hair dryer. It's a really clean model. This is the color is like a pinkish color, light, soft pink color. Not for sure exactly what you would call it. It does have some wear. As you can see, scratches and scuffs and dings. This base here is metal. It's really heavy, really solid. As you go up the base, there's a spring inside here, but there's no way to lock it. See, it'll go up and it'll go up, and it comes back down, and it stays right about there. I try to lower it, it comes back up. I raise it up, it'll come back down right there. Please beware of that. Also, some more, scuffs and dings. It'll go down very well. Then it'll pop back up as shown and stay in that position. The on off is right here. Here it running. It's on the cold setting right now. When I turn it I'm turn it all the way to hot. It doesn't get that hot. It does get more warm than cold. I'll show you in a minute once it warms up. That's a little light bulb that comes on right there. There's the back of it. There's a plastic piece on the outside of it. Here's a stick it up here, and the air gets to about 82. It'll get warmer in a few minutes. Just showing you some more features. See, it's at 86 right now. 87. After a few minutes, I'll get up to about 99, 98 degrees. So that's 90 right now. You put it on the cold section. Here it change. Drop it right there. You see the moment. Push it up and down, but not a whole lot. Here it's about 80. See it dropping still. It's about 79 degrees on the cold. Back up to hot, see how hot it gets. Just beware though of the spring kind of for sure. You can put a hook here to keep it locked or what, but it does go up and down, but it won't really lock down. This here turns up and down like this. But the color is really good, minus the dings and scratches and scuffs. It's on roll. It rolls very well, you can tell. It's got 3 wheels. This is at 97 degrees right now, 98, 99. Back of it. Wheels the base. And it's about at 101. It's about as high as it gets in my experience with it. Thank you. Alright, and we'll come shipped in 2 pieces. And plug it right quick. Okay, this piece here, try to show it to you one-handed, it'll pop off. See, it pops off. So the unit will be shipped in 2 boxes. Here's that spring some more. It's got a good force. There's a little bit of masking tape here, I guess, for protection. Here's some, that's solid metal right there. I don't know what it is, but there's some numbers. And inside here, it's not running. This is like a tinted piece of plastic. And there you have it.